Welcome to this OptimizePress Clubhouse update. Today we have a stunning template for you called Matrix. Now there are two templates in this series. This is the landing page template. We also have a thank you page template. Now you can see it here on the screen. It's using a beautiful contrast of blue and green. Very powerful colours, go well together. And you can see here straight away in the top section we have the nice bold headline statement put there with the sub headline underneath. Again, larger font, nice and clean to read. So looking at this template at the top, very good focal point used. We've also got this little animated GIF we added just to put on the left there to draw the eye to that area of the page so people can read that headline straight away, maybe hold them on the page for a little bit longer so they can read the headline and learn a bit more about the product service that you're selling. We've also added some text underneath so you can add some more information in that headline section. And over on the right hand side we've got this box here. We've created a featured box using some nice colours and lines, bringing it to life. And then we have a call to action in there as well. If we click on that, this opens up the overlay optimizer inside with your opt-in form. So a nice top section all round, very clean. You've got the attention grabbing little GIF over on the left, and we've got this call to action over on the right hand side here. And you can add an image of yourself there, put a picture of you if you're running this training, maybe this series or this course, whatever it is you are selling here. Now dropping down we can see we've got this blue colour that comes into play, nice thin row straight across the bottom with a testimonial in place there and a little logo underneath. And then we drop down into this section here which you could use for benefits or features. We're bringing that green colour through into each of the icons that you can see there above. So we've got the nice big headline, and then we've got these three sort of columns here, and we've got them beautiful little green icons. So you can use them to highlight some features, maybe some benefits about the training or the topic that you are covering. So that's broken up in obviously a lighter background, and we drop down again into this blue color towards the bottom of the page. Then we end with a final call to action here with a bold headline using a white font this time. Green button in the overlay optimizer. If we click on it, it opens up our opt-in form again. So kind of an upside down landing page. Towards the bottom we have that other call to action. Two call to actions in there to capture any leads that come in. I was going to jump in the live editor and show you this box over on the right hand side, our coach box. If we go over here you can see this is three sets of boxes. We've got the first one here which is a featured box. Let's just jump back. This is using the featured box creator, and you can see if we jump in the advanced settings it has 0 padding and 0 margins applied to it. And then inside the actual featured box creator as well is this spacer, and the spacer will probably be set at about 2 or 3 pixels or 5 pixels for this one, and it gives us that little line. You can reduce that or increase that space if you wanted to. Now below again we have another featured box creator here. This is for the content with the name and the image inside and the text. And then going underneath that again we have another featured box creator. Inside that we've added in the overlay optimizer there, and then we've got this other featured box. This one isn't actually a featured box creator, it's just the overlay optimizer added directly below this element above, but the button will be set at 100% width, so it's pushing out fully wide within the row space or within this column space. Below that we've got the other featured box creator. So by doing this, it's giving that boxed layout effect where everything is sitting flush to each other on either side. So if I jump out of this page again and just go back down, you can see the box itself, it stands out. It just looks like one box completely, but effectively it's 3 boxes. You've got the bottom, this one here, and then you've got the top, and then this call to action is the overlay optimizer inside. So that's really how you create that. It's using the featured boxes. Nice little design, just livens up a simple box on the right hand side, just makes it more appealing. You can obviously change the colors to match your brand and draw the focal point to the call to action. So that is the landing page. Make sure you check out the thank you page for the second template in this series.